Meaning of incorruptibility.
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 Incorruptibility. Incorruptibility refers to the quality of being incorruptible, which means being morally strong and resisting the temptation of unethical or illegal behavior. This trait is highly valued in individuals who are in positions of power or have the responsibility of handling important matters. People who possess incorruptibility are seen as trustworthy, reliable, and honest. They are less likely to engage in bribery, fraud, or other forms of corruption, and will often prioritize the greater good over personal gain. The concept of incorruptibility is essential for maintaining a fair and just society.